Little ones learn about the world around them by exploring with their hands and all their senses, and the same goes for finger foods. Finger foods are great for helping your baby learn hand-eye coordination and lots of developmental skills, but it can be quite daunting figuring out what to give them, what shape and size, what texture is right for your baby. So I'm just going to run through a few tips just to help you guide your baby through the world of finger foods. Remember that every baby is different, so go at your baby's pace and make sure when your baby's eating, particularly finger foods, that you always stay really close to them and look out and make sure that there's no risk of choking. Ideal first finger foods can be introduced from around the age of 6 months or so. So look at things like soft cooked vegetables or soft fruits. So cooked carrot, broccoli trees for example, sticks of melon or sticks of banana. Go for the size and shape of your index finger because this is really easy for your baby to grab at that stage. And texture-wise, go for something that you can squish quite easily between your finger and thumb. That means it's soft and melty enough for your baby to eat even if they haven't got any teeth. Babies at the age of 6 months or so tend to hold foods in the middle of their palm and then feed themselves from their fist. So having that stick-like object gives them something to grab onto and makes it easier for them to eat.